Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Jogzz Men Joggers. You can get this product on Amazon for about $40. Check out the link in the description. My Jogzz came with a thank you letter, which also tells me that Jogzz will donate 5% of all sales to the Fred Hutch Cancer Research Center. In order to increase sales and the ability to donate, they just ask the customers for Amazon ratings and reviews. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product. I tested the Jogzz for about a week and I think it's a very good product. They are lightweight and comfortable. I like the zipper pockets and the zipper fly, and I can wear them as workout pants, jogging pants, or just for hanging out. So if you're looking for some comfortable and good looking sweatpants, I would recommend the Jogzz Men Joggers. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.